Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Grab a Cop's Taser."
About to instantly regret grabbing a Florida cop's taser.
Don't fucking touch me.
Stop resisting, motherfucker!
He's got my taser!
It's 6 a.m. when officers respond to a family dispute. A homeowner wants a relative removed after a long night of arguing, but when police wake the man inside, everything spirals out of control.
Thing like this. I mean, it's one thing that, we help you, we're supporting you, but in my own house, you're trying to be physical with me, and then, calling me name, thing like this.
So what do you want us, what would you like to see happen today?
Well, I just want you, just maybe giving me a warning or giving me a or maybe I have to file a restriction so he won't come back here. But I want him to know, he's not supposed to come back here.
Okay.
If he come back, he's going to get arrested.
Okay, so we can issue him a trespass warning, but once we do that, and it's on paper, he can't come back. So if you need to give him money and stuff, you can't, you know what I'm saying? He can't come back here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, is that what you want?
Yeah, a trespass.
Okay, let's go talk to him.
All right.
Let's go. Do you mind? Let's go through the house. I don't want to walk up on the back porch on him.
Police is here.
How old is he?
He's 27. Jesus Christ. There he is.
You can't get in your own house?
Man, they lock me. They lock it on the inside, and I don't have that key.
Well, if he's on the back porch, that's where you're going, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, let's just do that, I guess. Let's turn the light on for me if you can.
Right here.
I can see that. Flip the light on. Wake up, Boda. Wake up, man. Sheriff's office. No, sheriff's office. Do what?
Where's the light on me?
So I can see. Oh, hey, dog.
Something wrong. There's lights, bro. Who the f is that?
Call the sheriff's office.
For what?
You're getting trespassed from this place.
Trespass?
Yeah, where's your ID at, dude?
My address is...
Apparently it's not anymore.
my ID. It's in my car.
Okay, well, what do you have in here besides this?
Nothing.
All right, well, let's go. Grab it up.
Go where?
I don't know. That's your problem, not
I'm
Bubba.
going nowhere, man.
Yeah, you are.
Shut the fuck up, and I'm going where? Don't fucking touch me.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Where? Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Yeah, this is what I'm about to be here for.
Get them together. He ain't acting right. Oh.
You just attack me, sir? Don't fucking touch me. You just
get them together.
What am I doing? Now you choking me.
I'm stepping up.
Now you choking me. What did you just punched me in the face? I hope you got a body cam for that. Why are you touching? Why are you grabbing my neck? Don't touch my neck. Don't touch my hand. Oh, wow. Wow.
Turn over. Turn over.
For what?
Turn over.
For what?
Because you're being under arrest.
I'm not
Wait,
being
why are you grabbing his neck, though?
I was just sleeping.
No, it's called assault. What it's called.
What? You just punched me in the face. That you assaulted me.
Oh, nah, hold on.
You assaulted me. I didn't even do anything. Why am I? Oh, what did I do?
Stop resisting, motherfucker!
I ain't resisting anything. Give me your hand.
Taser!
Taser? Taser for what? I've been
Tase him, goddammit.
Taser for what? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Woo, got his ass together.
Watch your hand!
Cut for what?
Got my taser!
Give me your fucking arm.
This guy just punched me in the face.
You're goddamn right I did. Shut up.
Oh, what? For what?
Tase him again!
Give me the taser.
He's got my taser!
How about
Let go.
Wait. What? Hold on. I gotta run this back, man. Hold on. All right. Hold on. The cop told him, all right, let's go. He said, I'm not going nowhere. And he boasted up and was, poked his chest out. Now we got to start this. Oh my God. I'm like, wait, hold on. He punched him in the face. I mean, I did see the neck part. Like, he is kind of a little neck happy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, hold on.
Okay, well, what do you have in here besides this?
Nothing.
All right, well, let's go. Grab it up.
Go where?
I don't know. That's your problem, not
I'm
Bubba.
going nowhere, man.
Yeah, you are.
Shut the fuck up, and I'm going where? Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Yeah, this is about to be your fault now. Don't fucking touch me, man. Don't fucking touch me.
Rocked him.
You just attack me, sir? Don't fucking touch me. You just attack me? What am I doing? Now you choking me.
Have him step it up.
Now you choking me. What did you just punched me in the face? I hope you got a body cam for that. Why are you grabbing my neck? Don't touch my neck. Don't touch my hand. Oh, wow.
Turn over.
For what?
Turn over.
For what?
Because you're being
He's not squeezing the neck, but he's just holding it there.
I would just sleep.
No, it's called assault. What it's called.
What? You just punched me in the face. That you assaulted me.
Nah, that's crazy.
You assaulted me. I didn't even do anything. What did I do?
Stop resisting, motherfucker.
I ain't resisting anything. Give me your fucking hand.
Taser.
Taser for what? I've been
Tase him, goddammit.
Taser for what? Oh my God. Oh my God.
I got one cuff. Watch your hand.
Cuff for what? What's going on?
Give me your fucking arm.
Cross the back out of it, and that's the back of it,
Goddamn
huh?
right I did. Shut up.
Oh, what? For what?
Tase him again.
Give me the taser.
He's got my taser.
Oh.
Let go. Let go. Let it go.
Let it go.
Oh, this guy just attacked me.
Oh, he wildin'.
Stop.
Did he still have it?
Yes.
Stop.
Oh, he let it go.
Stop.
I'm going to shoot you. Let go of it right now.
Shoot me.
Drive stun him. Go.
Shoot me for
Drive stun him.
Okay, I'm not even doing anything.
Stop resisting.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything.
Let go.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything.
Put your hand behind your back.
I got this one.
Lord, have mercy on me. I'm not doing anything.
They getting him right. Oh my God.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
He's got your taser.
I can't breathe.
You got You got to turn him around. Show us your fucking hands now. Give us your fucking hands.
Damn, this is getting a little uncomfortable, boy. Oh, this is crazy.
Taser.
I got mine right here.
Got it back?
Yes, he has
I got one cuff.
one of my cuffs.
Hand. There's a taser right there. Who's got that? That's his.
I can't breathe.
They wore his ass out, boy.
Shut the fuck up.
Talking, you're breathing.
Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. God bless.
Jesus.
God, what did I just do?
Knife.
God, why did I just get it?
It looks like one of ours. Yes.
What did I
It's
even
mine.
What did I do?
Hold on.
Oh, easy.
Take a breath.
TJ, calm down.
I can't breathe.
Calm down.
I can't
Does
breathe.
anyone have lead control on their way?
236-273.
I can't breathe. Some of this guy just punched me in the face
God damn,
No
getting this
reason.
pros out.
and tased me. I can't breathe, sir. I can't breathe.
God damn
I
it.
can't breathe. Please, somebody call the police.
Scene secure. We
Call
are
the
the
ambulance, please. Please call the police.
All right, stab him up. Let's get him going.
I need this. Somebody please call the police.
Right there.
There you go.
Because I'm not the police. You guys just take me.
Jesus Christ. How many fucking... I'm just trying to damn... Hey, TJ, hold up, bro. Hold up.
Damn. Oh my God.
Just hang on, dude, because we're like towing. All right, we're good. Damn it. Which car? Which one? Put him in mine. I don't care, whoever's.
No, don't put
They
me
tore
in
his
this
ass up.
Don't put me in this guy's car. He just attacked me, man. Please don't, man. No.
You don't have a choice.
No, this guy just attacked me.
Stop.
This guy attacked me and put me in the face.
Open your door.
Please, please. Let me go with you guys. Let me go with you. This man just attacked me in the face. Please.
Get in the car.
What did I do to you people?
He's getting ready to attack him.
Here.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir.
I thought he was going to go after you.
Yeah, I know.
Ow!
Are you okay?
It bit me.
Let me get some Purell.
He was charged with domestic violence assault, resisting an officer without violence, and 2 counts of battery on specified personnel. The felony battery and domestic violence charges were dropped, but he was found guilty of resisting an officer without violence and sentenced to 12 months of probation. He was also ordered to complete an 8-hour anger management course and pay $583 in fines and fees. At Blue Line Body Cam, I always...
Boy, that boy got an ass whooping, boy. Damn. Now that is like the highest form of act right, boy. That's that get you together, boy. That is, oh man. Damn. I'm like, cause I'm watching it and I'm like, yo, but typically this is when I first clicked on it, this is what's going on in my mind. I'm like, damn, why is the video so blurry? Like, that's the first thing that's like, and then I'm like, you know what? Nah, Blue Line Body Cam, they typically got some fire stuff. So even if the footage is blurry, it's probably good footage. Like, you feel me? And sure enough, this was insane. Now, I gotta grade this tough, boy, because yes, he did get up and poke his chest out, but at first I thought it was to the officer. It was to the civilian or to the other dude. And I'm like, is that necessarily, does that mean that it's called for you to punch him in the face? I mean, that's kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I thought he was boasting and getting in the officer face. Then I'm like, oh, it's lit. You know what I'm saying? Because officer, he felt threatened, you know, yada, yada, you know. But he wasn't doing that to the officer. So he rocked him. You could tell this officer definitely is a little aggressive. Like, he's a little bit, you know, he probably do got some, you know, maybe assaults or something like that in his rap sheet. You know what I'm saying? In his, you know, he's probably done some things. Because his first inkling is to like grab the throat. Like, we seen him grab the throat from the front. We seen him when they was having him face down, he's grabbing the throat from like on his back, like here. I'm like, damn, bro, what the hell? Like, you ain't doing no maneuvers, like pressure point, nothing. Like, it's just, you just straight yoking him. Like, I was like, oh boy. But once it's fair game and he's resisting and all that stuff, then it's fair game, you know. So all the tasers and all that stuff, like, is lit. You know what I mean? Now, I think they tased him a lot, though. A lot. That's why he started to like get that real heavy breathing and that feeling of I can't breathe, because being tased does take a lot out of you. Like, it literally takes a lot out of you. So, you know, I could see where he could feel like, even though he's talking, I could see where he could feel like I can't breathe. You know, people are on top of him. You know what I'm saying? He's exerting energy because he's still fighting against the cops. And he, you know, he's getting tased and everything. He just, a lot of energy was drained from him. Like, I ain't gonna lie. So honestly, I'm giving the cops a 3 on this one. You know, I as much as I do love the act right, and I love it, you know, it was to a point where like I'm like, ooh, this gets a little uncomfortable because y'all they're overdoing it. Like, damn, bro, it's 4 of y'all. Like, what the fuck? Like, it's 4 of y'all. Like, do y'all gotta tase them 75 goddamn times? Like, that's where it kind of gets a bit much. But at the end of the day, you got to do what you got to do to get them in cuffs. So, but I give it 3 out of 5 on this one. Let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.